So we're back at the Duchess design that's getting built at Brookfield, just on the north side of Brisbane. Getting really close to being finished. Have a nice look at the spotted gum. This is the spotted gum on the outside as a feature. It's come up great. It looks absolutely amazing. Then they've got the clip lock cladding on the outside. So it's not the super expensive architectural M lines or 360 Max or anything. It's just a stock standard product. Creates that same sort of look, but it's a lot cheaper. But it yeah, looks the part, that's for sure. And we'll have a look through. So this is the master bedroom. And it's got a big walk-through robe into the ensuite. It's got a walk-behind shower. It's got the high ceilings in here as well. So this top wing is the bedroom wing. This is like a little alcove or a teenager's retreat. All the staircase is in. We haven't seen that yet, so it looks amazing. There's the laundry. All the carpet in there as well. There's one bedroom with a two-way bathroom. Another bedroom here. And there's like a guest wing down this end. Oh, that's another bedroom. And then here's the guest wing. I'm not going to have a look downstairs. So we've got this breezeway that connects the two pavilions straight into the living area. The kitchen's in. Not quite finished yet, but it's starting to look pretty good. There's the butler's pantry. Double garage. There's another one, right? There's like another little powder room here. Side access out to the swimming pool. It's got a two-way fireplace here that separates the living area through to the formal lounge. Big 2.4 doors. These are the Lumiere range. So they open right up by Stegbar. So more of an industrial sort of style. We've got the same spotted gum feature work on the pavilion end here. Looks pretty good. So it's just in the final stages, getting ready for handover. Won't be too much more before it's completed.